welcome to another video. Today we're doing shotgun only, but we have a friend joining us today. He's Kalen and obviously my brother James. So let's get straight into this. If you hear me with the mic, it's because I'm talking to my friend Kalen. There's going to be more people on the channel, so just wait until just keep watching these videos to see all of my friends. Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the videos and put all notifications on so you know when I upload a new video.
Let's get into this match, bruh. So today we're going to do shotgun only.
You're going to play 2 matches of this and then we're going to stop. Then me and Kalen and James will play some off cameras playing. / make another video. Well, first of all, I need to upload this first. Yeah, only shotgun. You can't pick up anything else.
Only shotgun. But you can pick up stick face.
I know. We're going to guys. Should I give the viewers a spoiler for the next video? Okay, for the next video we're going to do assault rifle only.
We've already attempted this challenge, but we forgot to record.
Yeah, we did record the video, but it didn't come up in my desktop, so we couldn't upload it.
Yep.
Sorry, guys. And we got 2nd place too.
Yeah, we got
the last
second place.
video on the assault rifle.
And we're so sad we didn't upload it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We on the assault rifle only challenge. You know what I found? You know what we got? We found a purple pump and a gold pump.
But look at it, we found a gold star.
I know, but we found a gold scar and a purple.
Yeah, but we lost because in close up it's so hard.
Yeah, it's close up is so hard.
There was a single player left.
I know there was 1 single player left. Oh, it was horrible.
Yeah, but you can't even get me. What do you even mean? Oh, we're not even gonna get the duty.
No, that isn't me. I'm not.
I'm not even gonna get the duty. What is your level, Keelan? Look at your level.
That
look
is
at Keelan's
one.
level.
It has an emoji face.
Look at Keelan's level. What happens if we get to level 5? How much lanes are they going to be?
Anyways, you don't need to watch my videos, Kaylin, because you're in them. So, that's a bow, man! Not a shotgun! Already.
Shut up, because I want a shotgun.
Already. We need to get it. The reason why we came here is because you can get a pump shotgun if you challenge this man.
Yeah. Oh, shotgun.
I haven't even got a shotgun yet.
Well, I have.
I'm not. Epic is just teasing me now.
Wow.
I got an SMG and an AR.
I have a grey shotgun. I have a grey shotgun.
I don't have anything. I've nothing. Only some heals. I'm a sad, sad man. That's the one thing.
Are you joking? Are you actually
No,
joking?
don't. What are you doing?
Epic, are you actually joking? Epic, are you joking?
I'm pickaxing him.
I'm coming. Coming.
Aw. Thanks, anyways.
Yeah, does anyone have any stuff?
Exactly.
I need a...
Well, we can. We're not allowed. We are allowed to, but it'll be hard. It'll take barely any damage.
Are we like bombs?
So if you
Let's
see
get
a
all
player
of
with an
let's
assault
get all
rifle
of these
shooting you,
maps.
just keep building and walls and
We need all these maps.
yes. Because we'll be using a load of max. My question is, why did Epic make Marshmallow's new pickaxes black?
Should be
I
one.
know they're black. Look.
They turn rainbow when you swap them on.
Yeah, and sometimes just turn rainbow randomly. I need. Do you have any you know? Do you have any like slurp? Oh. I'm saving my big pot then.
I need some minis. Does anyone have any minis?
No, I have a big pot though.
I have one big pot.
Kaylin, we should have asked your mother first if you can be in the YouTube channel.
Doesn't matter.
Tristan's videos. So you can be in mine.
Oh, Tom,
Oh,
look at
I
that.
was just going to give a bit
Oh.
of a shout to that. I know. Whew. Okay. I nearly have full I nearly have full wood, I think.
Guys, make
I
sure to
have
like
full
and
wood.
guys, make sure to like and subscribe. So
Why do people call with that place the Deadpool's cabin?
Yeah.
Is it?
What is it?
That's good. Do you have shotgun
Yeah,
shells?
two.
Yeah, he has 2 shotguns.
Two plays.
But they're both grey.
Oh,
Grey plus grey equals green.
yeah, that is one.
Yeah.
I have 2 grey makeshifts. I'm better.
James's treasure for night. James's dog water. Can I have it?
No problem.
James,
Yeah, I
fine,
need
you
it.
have it.
I need it the most.
Okay. I really want it though.
Give me. Anyone have mini? Like, seriously. What was that? What was that? Guys,
Gathering marks, I'm
anyone
just
know?
going to gather
Does
some
anyone-
marks. Gathering marks, gathering marks. You
what
like
is
my
that
song?
song?
Gathering marks, I love gathering marks. I'm gonna die
Push
from the
you,
storm. I'm gonna die from the storm. I'm trash at singing. That will make it good.
No, you don't even need to sing. Remember, you mix all your videos together and make it like one big video. Guys, like and subscribe it. Guys, like and subscribe so this guy can shoot off. Okay.
Thomas, you're not eating pizza.
After this video, after this match maybe.
I am eating. Well, I am. But I've only ate one slice.
No. TJ Gaming.
Need a med kit. Well, I have a med kit. Oh, excuse the chili.
Oh. Have attack. Coming.
Well, I'm on full HP.
Oh, I'm running.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, you would think shotgun only would be easy.
No. I got 0.
I think all you guys would think are spamming in the comments. Why are you just not going for the kills? Why aren't you just killing everyone? Because we need to. Because we don't have any AR, so we can't go pew 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 pew.
Well, that's fine.
Sniper.
What is that circle? What is that circle?
OMG!
I think I know who that is.
I play as an AR and he's missing every single shot.
He's a bot.
Ow! He hit me once. Thank you for bringing out your shotgun finally. Yeet!
Minecraft.
No. It's with an emoji face on.
Someone shoot me. Ow!
TJ Gaming. Okay.
Ow! Help
No!
me!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! James! James! I'm coming!
You're already there.
Would it be nice if I'll actually get 1 subscriber?
Wouldn't it be nice if the dad
I've no subscribers. Don't judge me.
with that?
3.
We
Only because you didn't subscribe to mine. I didn't subscribe his because he didn't subscribe mine. Yeet!
Oh yeah. There's a person in this car. There's a person in this
Oh!
stupid car.
Ow! Ow! No! Thank you! Mr. Dummy.
Look, Mr. Dummy's a big dummy. Oh no, circle.
straight away, we'll just finish the video there.
No.
Fine. We'll still do 2.
Keelan, I need that slurp, by the way. Legendary. All I need is a legendary book.
I haven't even used 1 max yet. We're saving it for the big league. We're saving it for the big league, and I need heals.
I have 16 from shotgun now. Thomas, I got heals.
Does anyone have 1?
Look what I have. Yeet!
Does anyone have 1, you know?
Thomas, I'm literally giving you a small fly. I think about them. Thomas, I'll give you a small fly. Small fly, Thomas. Thomas, small fly.
Cool.
Small fly! Thomas!
That's
That.
this person has to.
Oh, we're doing YouTube videos.
Yeah, we were doing loads of YouTube videos. Sorry. OMG!
We.
Epic! All my loot is purple.
All my loot is gold because look at my inventory, Thomas.
Oh! He has a whopping 1 golden pump shotgun.
This is my
Nothing
inventory.
else.
Keelan, look, this is my inventory. This is my inventory. This is my inventory. My inventory is that.
This is my inventory.
That. Your small fries I gave you.
Yeah, and the small fries.
I needed some.
Let's just camp here.
Oh yeah. No, yeet. Oh! Next level.
A person's here. There's only one.
Yeet. Come on.
No, he isn't. He's right here. What? Are you kidding me?
Oh, got the second one.
He's got 1. James, go quickly.
What? There's 3.
There's 3.
Yeet.
I'm on 14 HP.
Oh. How Thomas not me?
4. Oh, there's a person coming.
Help me. Now. Help me. Help me. Don't do
Yeah.
it, bad me.
I'll take that.
Bad me. Help me. Thomas.
Sorry.
Sorry. Don't be shout. Thomas, give me the one. Oh. Take the over pump. Take the over pump. The guys won't get it.
This is going to be so hard.
Oh! Yeet! No! He's right there. Well, he is. Get him!
Come on. Yes!
7 people left. Get
As you can see, this man, Kalen, is the best player in whole of
He's
humanity.
level 231. Look at this. Look at this.
You
Look at
are
this bottom
Soapy!
I'm massaging Thomas
I
right
need stuff.
now. Guys, I'm massaging Thomas right now.